at this look, I'm gonna use my Spotted Lips Cosmetic palette. I have not used that in a long time, but it looks so dirty. I feel so bad. But I don't know what to say about that, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna go with this light color right here. Just to like set everything. Not a lot, just to blend. Okay, y'all, so y'all probably asking why I keep doing like inspired look by a song or something like that. I not only did one of those, but like I do that because like some of the songs I can actually relate to. I'm gonna use this color, like the brown, the light brown. It's just some of the songs I can actually relate to, so I'm like, oh my gosh, this would be like a really cool look if I, you know, like can create a look out of this. But also it's like some of the songs I'm like, how the fuck am I supposed to do this with a look? But like I love doing those. I don't know, it's just so good to do that. Okay guys, now I'm gonna use red. I pick red because it's like the color of a rose, and I'm like, why not? And then just gonna put that all over the lid. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be a really quick tutorial. It's just I wanted to show you like, and I know that Gabi, like a lot of people don't like her, which I honestly do not know why, because she is so beautiful and she's so sweet, or at least from what I've seen, she's so sweet and beautiful. Like, who cares she wants to change her nose, or like she like Ariana Grande. Like, yeah, some people are just so are just so rude, or like they're always thinking like she's trying to be Ariana Grande. Like, Gabi is like really not Ariana Grande. Like, her song proved that. Now I'm just using like a red a brush that I've used red with, and I'm just trying to blend the red out all over the eyelid. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go with the black. Honestly do not know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna see. And I'm gonna put it okay guys, so now I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild highlight, and I'm just gonna put, you see my little nephew broke it, so I'm just gonna put some on my inner. It's all broken, yeah. I'm going to use this Stay Matte from Remo London concealer. I've been really loving it lately. It's good, okay? It is so worth the hype in my opinion. And you can also use it just like a foundation, but this shade is too light for me. Okay y'all, now I'm gonna go with my, oh, where is the brush? I'm gonna go with my Millennium foundation. You guys know it's my all-time favorite. I need to get a new one because like I like to have extras, so like when I run out I don't be going crazy. Am I looking pretty? Okay, y'all, don't come for me. Okay, guys, so now let me clean this. I'm gonna look up dead flowers. Yay! I think it looks so popping. Okay, now guys, for lip, um, I'm gonna go with those two, and I'm gonna put the darker one on the outside. I like to line the lip. Oh my god, watch as I struggle to put on fucking lashes. I feel so dumb. Okay, I'm gonna put the glue. Oh shit, sis. God, I'm so nervous. Should I have done that first? I usually see people that know what they do and do this. Okay, let's do this. Oh Jesus. Okay, I better get this right, because if I don't, I'm just gonna leave it. So oh! Oh my gosh, how do people do this? This is ridiculous. Okay, 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 okay. This looks horrible. People who do this every day, I feel so like happy for y'all. Like y'all are like the best. What am I doing wrong? Wait, should I have closed my eyes? I should have closed my freaking eyes. I think I should try this off camera again. But it kind of look good though. Dang! Okay, yeah, it kind of look good. So I'm just gonna keep going, like keep trying until I get this bitch right. But it's kind of like getting inside my eyes. So I think I did this one wrong. Oh my god, I don't know what to do, guys. Like, I don't think it came out right, but like, it's the best I can do. But I do feel like it did pop out the eye more. Like, I see why people do this, like, literally all the time. But okay, guys, I'm just putting some highlight. Even though you're literally crying, you still need highlight.
Blow it up, let's stop.